I speak for Akwa Ibom South. I have a point of order, and I come through the window of Order 42 by the indulgence of the Senate, the leave of the President of the Senate. A senator may make a personal explanation, although there may be no question before.
Use your mic. Use your mic.
But no controversial matter may be brought forward, nor may debate arise from the explanation. The terms of the proposed statement shall be submitted in detail to the President of the Senate when his leave to make it is sought. Respectfully, I want to draw the attention of Mr. President and our colleagues to a heart-rending abduction.
Distinguished colleagues, yes. Senator Ekon Samson brought to my knowledge another heinous crime of abduction of Nigerians on the waterways of Calabar, Oron in Akwa Ibom, including young children who went to ride jam. And I think this calls for a question why children should be told to cross from one state to the other state to go and do jam. Jam should try to create jam centers in each of the states of the Federation. So those children are under captivity, and he requested that they would like to bring it to the attention of the Senate. Is it the view of the Senate that he be allowed to proceed? Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Yes, you may proceed.
Thank you, Mr. President, my dear colleagues. Yes. This is quite heart-rending that no fewer than 15 Nigerians were traveling in a commercial ferry from Calabar on their way to Oron via the Calabar-Oron Waterways were on Friday abducted by suspected sea pirates. Some of the victims are reported to be students who went to pursue their academic career. We have been informed through reports that these heavily armed pirates ambushed the ferry mid-sea, forcefully commandeered the vessel, and whisked away the passengers at gunpoint to unknown destinations. This heinous act has thrown the families into anguish, left parents and loved ones in deep distress, while heightening fear and insecurity along our coastal communities. We are disturbed that the Calabar-Oron Waterways, a critical economic and social transport corridor for the Niger Delta region, has increasingly become a hotspot for criminal activities, including piracy, kidnapping, smuggling, and armed robbery. Disturbed that despite previous assurances and interventions by security agencies, incidents of maritime insecurity still persist, thereby undermining public confidence in the safety of inland waterways. Recognizing that the continued vulnerability of passengers along these waterways poses a threat not only to human lives, but also to commerce, interstate connectivity, and national security. We are worried that failure to address this menace may embolden criminal elements, discourage of activities, and deepen insecurity in the coastal regions of the country. We accordingly resolve to, 1, condemn in the strongest terms the hijack and abduction of passengers, including students, along the Calabar waterways, and commiserate with their affected families. 2, urge the Chief of Naval Staff, the Inspector General of Police, and other security agencies to immediately deploy search and rescue operations to secure the safe and unconditional release of all the abducted victims of this heart-rending incident. Call on the Nigerian Navy, the Marine Police, and MIMASA to intensify their surveillance, patrol operations along the Calabar waterways and adjoining creeks. Mandate the Senate Committees on Navy, Marine Transport, and National Security and Intelligence to urgently investigate the rising spate of maritime insecurity in the Niger Delta waterways and recommend lasting solutions. The other link is to mandate JAM to explore ways towards ensuring that young school leavers do not travel interstate to write their examinations for safety concerns. And finally, if I may add, urge that work we expedited on the Calabar-Itu highways, because if Calabar-Itu highways were opened, some of these incidents would have been checked. So I want to add there that the Senate calls on the Minister of Works to expedite action on the reconstruction, full reconstruction of the Calabar-Itu highways to reduce the traffic on our coastal waterways between Calabar and Oron. Thank you respectfully.
Well, thank you to the distinguished systems, and we urge security agencies to do everything possible to ensure that those children are brought out of captivity. I can only imagine the anguish and the agony that they are passing through right now. And then we should also ask the Nigerian Navy to intensify patrols along that axis because of the failure of the road, which the Minister of Works should actually discuss with us, because he seems to have neglected that area totally. So I'll just look at your prayers. Condemn in the strongest terms the hijack and abduction of passengers along the Calabar-Oron waterways and commiserate with the affected families. Those in support say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Urge the Chief of Naval Staff, the Inspector General of Police, and other relevant security agencies to immediately deploy coordinated search and rescue operations to secure the safe and unconditional release of all the abducted victims of this heart-rending incident. Those in support say aye, and those against say nay. The ayes have it. Call on the Nigerian Navy, Maritime Police, and Nigerian Maritime Administration and Safety Agency (NIMASA) to intensify surveillance, patrol, and intelligence gathering operations along these Calabar-Oron waterways and the adjoining creeks. Those in support say aye, and those against say nay. The ayes have it. Mandate the Senate Committee on Navy, Marine Transport, and National Security and Intelligence to urgently investigate the rising spate of maritime insecurity in the Niger Delta waterways and recommend lasting solutions. Those in support say aye, and those against say nay. The ayes have it. Mandate JAM to explore ways towards ensuring that young school leavers do not travel interstate to write their Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, UTME, and because of safety reasons, I have already stated that we must employ our Committee on Tertiary Education to immediately move in and talk to JAM so that they can at least ensure that they have JAM centers in all the states of the Federation because of insecurity. Because this would not have happened if there was any JAM center in the Akwa Ibom side. Very unfortunate. So JAM must immediately rise to the occasion in order to save lives. Those in support of this last prayer say aye, and those against say nay. The ayes have it. Thank you for bringing this to the fore, and I wish them speedy rescue as soon as possible. Leader of the Senate. And please off your mic.